Travel not really recommended tomorrow later in the day as the snow really starts ramping up and those winds will be blowing that around. It could create close to zero visibility. I would not be shocked if one of these counties with the winter storm warning until Sunday morning actually gets upgraded to a blizzard warning sometime later tomorrow in those wide open county roads or interstate stretches that you get that blowing snow. So be cautious of that. Still looking at 6 to 10 inches of snow. That has not changed. Maybe a little bit less to the south for the simple fact that most of tonight's precipitation in Racine, Kenosha, and Walworth County will be in the form of rain. It also mixed in with a little bit of freezing rain tonight, some sleet and some snow. About an inch of accumulation of snow here in Milwaukee, 1 to 2 to the north and northwest. That wind is picking up this evening and overnight, 15 to 35. Then from 6 a.m. to 2, we are still expecting that little bit of a lull in the action. Still some scattered snow if you're out and about tomorrow. Remember, there'll be that 1 to 2 already on the ground, but look for an additional 1 inch of snow during that time period. And the winds 20 to 45, it's going to be blowing and drifting around. Then after 2 o'clock until midnight, that's when we see the heaviest of snow. 3, 4, 5 inches of additional snow, maybe some higher amounts than that, near blizzard conditions with the blowing and drifting and those winds approaching 50 miles per hour. After midnight, starts to taper off. Less than an inch of snow and the winds start to die down as well. But in general, a good 6 to 10 inches of snow is expected. Already seeing snow in parts of the area, parts of Sheboygan, Fond du Lac, Dodge County. The area in pink is that wintry mix of some rain and potentially some freezing rain. That's moving into Janesville, getting ready to move into Whitewater as well. So over the next hour to 90 minutes, you're going to see more of a swath of rain and some sleet and freezing rain from Milwaukee to Waukesha and Point South. This is a huge storm system. Look at the line of flash flooding through Missouri, Arkansas, and into Oklahoma and Texas. They're expecting about 2 inches of rain tonight in Chicago. That could have easily been close to 20 inches of snow if literally just a few degrees colder. They will be raining. Precipitation, and I say precipitation because it'll be everything tonight, likely after 8, 9 o'clock, and then it tapers off a little bit tomorrow morning, and it starts to ramp up once again after 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Roads are fine and dry right now, but as we go into the next couple hours here in Milwaukee and Waukesha and South, be prepared for rain, maybe a little bit of freezing rain and some sleet, mainly snow to the north as temperatures right around the freezing mark. We are still above freezing in Milwaukee at 36. The winds are going to start picking up throughout the evening as well. You'll have some gusts approaching 30 miles per hour. All kinds of colors on the future forecast. This is the rain, the freezing rain and the sleet. That is the snow to the north. And it continues throughout that way overnight tonight. When you wake up tomorrow morning, remember 1 to 2 inches of snow on the ground. Still some scattered light snow showers. Strong northeast winds gusting to 40. And then we get that little bit of a lull. And then after 2, 3 o'clock, here comes that next wave of heavier snow and those strong northeast winds. By 3 a.m., this is mainly out of here across the area. And then we can start shoveling and snow blowing. The winds come way down on Sunday as well. For this evening, be cautious of the wet roads, maybe a little bit of freezing rain out there as well. Tomorrow morning, about an inch of snow on the ground, temperatures dropping into the 20s, and then by tomorrow afternoon, we'll stay right around 30 degrees. Heavy snow after 3 o'clock, blowing snow with winds gusting close to 50. Heading up to Lambeau. They should have most of the stadium cleaned out, I'm thinking, by the game, but now there's a little twist. We've added some light snow for part of the game, less than an inch of accumulation, but you could have some snow showers during the game. 25 on Sunday, 32 on Monday. It gets more active next week. We have a couple of rounds of light snow on Monday morning, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday.